Today we're going to do our update on NVDA, and I will just say that a couple days ago we made a video talking about how we were probably going to pull back to this trend line area, and we did get here. And instead of just guessing and going long, which you could have done with a tight stop, I guess, I like to play the actual day. So we had a inside bar yesterday, and you know that if you short an inside bar and breakdown, the previous day is your magnitude, your price target. So you have like basically just a few pennies. So you know you're not really looking to short that. So what you'll be looking for is a reversal back higher on a smaller time frame because you know you're at a support area at this trend line. So you'll be looking for that reversal on a lower time frame. And I was gonna take NVIDIA over 171.60 over this reversal candle, but I just personally didn't take it because the premiums are just so juiced today, being that earnings are after hours. You can go to earnings whispers and always see when stocks report. You just type it in. So if I typed in like Tesla or something, it would tell me the next earnings report. But there go NVIDIA today after hours. That's how the contracts get when companies report. They get the IV gets crazy, but your price target would have been back through the previous day's highs. So up here in the 173.50, and then the final target would have been 174.65. So uh, Amazon, pretty much, I'm not gonna say the exact same, but very similar setup. Not a trend line support, but just horizontal support. And you had an inside bar breakdown, but then you had a bounce. So that bounce, I did take an entry over 120 or 134.25, right over that bar, and I just rolled it up right up in this price area for about 20%. That one, I think, is a very similar setup, same concept. The high of the day in the supply intraday supply area was a lot tighter for Amazon, so the price target was a lot easier to kind of see. With Nvidia, you kind of could trick yourself up and just hold all the way up until here, but you always got to be ready to trim and take profits. Uh, Amazon, I kind of botched that one because I was supposed to have left running, but I set my trailing stop for the runners as if it was a core position, but I ain't really tripping about it. But that's just kind of how you look at stuff. Nvidia after hours today, we'll see what kind of price action we get. If we break out of this to the upside or the downside, we may get a crazy gap either direction. And I would not have any bias ever going into earnings. I don't trade earnings. So I just be mindful of that. And literally anything can happen. And so, yeah, just try to stay away from earnings. But you see how we kind of just been watching it day by day, not doing anything, just waiting for the setup that we like and waiting until after earnings. So once earnings over, tomorrow morning, we should have something to trade. We'll see what that is. And I'll be sure to get that video out for y'all tomorrow. So I'll catch y'all for the next one.